Assalamu alaikum students, class 7 exercise 17a question number 9. Find the area of a floor which is covered by 1050 tiles and each tile measuring 20 square centimeter. The area of each tile is 20 square centimeter and we have to find the area of the floor which is covered by total tiles are 1050. Area of each tile equals to 20 centimeter square and we have to find the area of the floor in meter square. So we have to convert the centimeter square into meters. And we know that 1 centimeter is equals to 1 over 100 meters. Squaring on both sides we get 1 centimeter square is equals to 100 square equals to 10,000 meters square. We have to find the 20 centimeter squares in meters, so we have to convert multiplying on both sides by 20. 20 centimeter square 1 multiplied by 20 over 10,000 meters square. After dividing the 20 on 10,000, we get 0.002 meters square. This is the area of each tile. Total number of tiles are 1050 and we have to find the area of the floor. Area of the floor equals to number of tiles multiplied by area of each tile. 1050 multiplied by 0.002, that is equals to 2.1 meters square. Let's suppose this is the floor. This is the floor and this is the tile and this is tile and its area is 20 centimeters square. Total number of tiles are 1050. We have to find the area of this floor. Simply we have to multiply the total number of tiles multiplied by area of each tile. Okay students, question number 10. Find the cost of tiling the floor of a room. एक रूम को हमने टाइलिंग करनी है 12 मीटर्स बाय 9 मीटर्स. इट इज डायमेंशंस एट 50 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर मीटर. मीन्स पर स्क्वायर मीटर, एक स्क्वायर मीटर पर इतने रुपीज एक्सपेंसेस आएंगे. हमें फाइंड करना है, कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है इस रूम की. एंड इट्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ आर चेंज्ड, सो इट इज द रेक्टेंगल एंड वी हैव टू नो दैट द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ. Length of a floor of a room equals to 12 meter. Breadth of a floor of a room is equals to 9 meter. These values are not same, so it is a rectangle. So area of a floor of a room is equals to length multiplied by breadth. 12 multiplied by 9, that is equals to 108 meters square. Cost of tiling per square meter is equal to rupees 50 given in the question, and we have to find the cost of tiling at 108 meters square. So we have to simply multiply by 50 multiplied by total area, that is equals to 50 multiplied by 108, that is equals to rupees 5,400. Students, question number 11. Find the cost of papering the 4 walls of a room. एक रूम की 4 walls पर पेपरिंग करनी है. 16 meters long, length is equals to 16 meters, breadth is equals to 12 meters and height is equals to 8 meters. When we have to find the 4 walls of a room, area of the 4 walls of a room, and we have to given length, breadth and height, then we have to use the formula 2 into height into length plus breadth. This is the formula of area of 4 walls of a room when length, height and breadth are given. Height is equals to 8, length 16, breadth 12. 12 plus 16, 28. 8 to the 16. 16 into 28, 448 meters square. This is the area of the 4 walls of a room. With paper 2 meters wide, the breadth of the paper, पेपर की अपनी भी कोई ब्रेथ है, द पेपर की जो ब्रेथ है वो है 2 मीटर्स. सो ब्रेथ ऑफ पेपर शीट 2 मीटर. लेंथ ऑफ पेपर शीट रिक्वायर्ड, वी हैव टू डिवाइड एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स डिवाइडेड बाय द ब्रेथ ऑफ पेपर शीट, दैट इज इक्वल टू 224 मीटर. कॉस्ट ऑफ पेपरिंग पर मीटर. पर मीटर पेपरिंग की कॉस्ट क्या है, रुपीज 50 गिवन द क्वेश्चन, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेपरिंग 224 मीटर. वी हैव टू सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50 विद द total length of the paper sheet required 224, that is equals to rupees 11,200. Question number 12. Find the perimeter of a square equal in area to 2 squares. Means हमें एक ऐसे square का perimeter find करना है जो कि 2 squares के areas के equal हो. Whose sides are 12 meters. Means एक ऐसा square है जिसकी dimensions 12 है और एक ऐसा square है जिसकी dimension 5 meters है respectively. Means ये 2 squares हैं. एक square 5 meter, length is equals to 5 meter, breadth is equals to 5 meter, and the other square 12 meter and 12 meter. Now first of all we have to find the areas of these squares. So length of one of the square is equals to 12 meter and we have to find the area of this square, and as we know that the area of a square is length multiplied by length, that is equals to 12 multiplied by 12, that is equals to 144 meter square. Length of the side of other square is 5 meter, so its area is 25 meter square. When we have to find the area of both the squares, then we have to add these areas. Total area of both the square is equals to 144 plus 25, that is equals to 169 meter square. Now we have area of a big square. Area of a big square is equals to 169 meters. When we have to find, when we have to add these areas, we get a big square, that's area is equals to 169. Now we have to find the length of each side. If the total area is 169, so length and breadth are equal, and 13 multiplied by 13 is equals to 169. So length of one side is 13. Area of a big square is 169 meter square. Length of a big square कैसे find करेंगे? As we know that area of a square is equals to length multiplied by length, and we have to find the length, that area divided by length is equals to L. So length of a big square is equals to area divided by length. Area is 169, length L square. After cross multiplication we get 169. Squaring on both sides, square root on both sides. After square root we get square L is equals to 169. 169 can be written as 13 meter. Square root 169 can be written as 13 meter. So perimeter of a big square, we know that area of perimeter of a square is equals to 4L. So 4 multiplied by this length and we get the perimeter of the square, 52 meter.